Okay, so I ran into an issue with Claude the other day that took me 20 to 30 minutes to fix. So hopefully I can save you time if you run into the same issue. The problem was I could not paste any code or text into the prompts anymore. So I'd go to start a prompt. I'd go to my code. Let's say I'd select it. I'd copy it, go back to Claude, hit paste, and nothing would happen. No error message, just no response whatsoever. Turns out the problem was a browser storage issue, and I'm using Chrome, but I've been using Claude pretty heavily for about 6 months, and apparently I've exceeded the allowable storage in Chrome for the Claude application. Quick fix. Here's what you do. Right click, inspect, go to the application tab. You have local storage and session storage. You'll see Claude listed there. Click on it. You can delete these records one by one with the delete, but more likely there's going to be hundreds of them. So I learned this the hard way. If you go over here and right click on this, you can clear all of them with one click. Now you want to do the same thing under session storage. Look for the Claude, right click, clear. You're done. Close it. Go back to your chat. Now try your paste again. There it is. And away you go. And the nice thing is, I'm not exactly sure what is stored there, but doing that does not delete your chat history. So you still have all your chat history. Hope that helps. Thanks.